Hi, everyone. When we first start writing in English, we often use short, simple sentences. For example, you might say, I love research or I study hard. These are great, but as we grow as independent thinkers, we want our writing to reflect how our ideas are connected. So today we're going to learn about the compound sentence. So, what is a compound sentence? Think of a compound sentence like a bridge. You have two complete independent thoughts, meaning each could stand alone as its own sentence, and you want to join them together. To build this bridge, you need two things, a comma and a coordinating conjunction. The conjunctions that are usually used are for, and, nor, but, or, and so. So let's build a compound sentence. To start, let's get two simple sentences. The first sentence is, the student felt nervous. Here you can see a noun, the student, being combined with a verb, felt. Nervous in this sentence describes the student, so it is an adjective. The second sentence is, she took an intellectual risk. This sentence follows the standard subject, verb, object structure of English writing. In this case, she is the subject, took is the verb, and risk is the object. Intellectual describes the object risk, so it is an adjective. To create a compound sentence, we need to join these two sentences together. In this case, but would be the best conjunction to use. So if we join them, the compound sentence becomes, the student felt nervous, but she took an intellectual risk. Notice two things. First, we put the comma before the but. And second, both sides of the conjunction are still full sentences. If you took the but away, they could both stand alone. This is what makes it a compound sentence and is the key difference between compound and complex sentences. A complex sentence has one part that can stand alone, the independent clause, and one part that cannot stand alone because it starts with a word like because, or though, or while. In other words, the dependent clause. So why do you need compound sentences in your work? Using compound sentences makes your writing less choppy. It allows you to show relationships like cause and effect or contrasts. It shows your reader that you aren't just listing facts, you are building an argument. So why not try to write a compound sentence in the comments below using a topic from your own studies or research area? Happy writing!